And a very good evening, everyone. Jeremy here, quantstrategic.com.sg. And I would like to cover Clover Health Investments, known as CLOV, traded on NASDAQ. And if you look at the multiple time frame analysis on the day, week, and the monthly charts is a very interesting stock for you to trade and swing trade. And let's start off with the monthly charts. So the monthly charts, you can see an all-time high was touched at 28.85. That's 3 days back last week, and currently has pulled back to $15.03. But the trend is still up with a pivot at $6.79 as a support. If we look at the weekly charts, still on an uptrend, and the uptrend actually started on the 7th of June 2021, targeting this all time high with a long signal at $13. All right, and the pivot support at $5.30. Zooming down to the daily chart, also on an uptrend with a long signal on the 7th of June 2021 at a level of $13 with a pivot support at $5.30 and targeting at 28.85. And if you go down one more level to the 4 hourly charts, you can see that our entry point would be way earlier on the 2nd of June 2021 at a level of $7.90. All right, so if you're taking that signal a couple of days earlier, you would have caught this particular surge up to $28.85. So, hence, using this particular technique is very, very good for you to take long signals at the break of the super trend line. For example, right here, whereby you can actually uh, enjoy these parabolic surges for stocks on the NASDAQ and the US markets. So, as a recap, for most swing traders and professional traders, they tend to look for stocks that have dipped quite a little bit since its first appearance, all right, and look for opportunities for this particular swing upwards. And sometimes it could be parabolic, and how you can actually use the multiple time frame analysis is to look at lower levels. For example, on the weekly charts, you would be able to capture this particular uh, surge to 28.85 at this particular level at $13 on the 7th of June, at this particular level at 890 on the 3rd of June, or at this particular level at 790 on the 2nd of June. So you can see as you move down from the month to the week to the day to the 4 hourly, you'll be able to catch all these moves much earlier as they break the super trend line upwards, catch the surge, and then when it pulls back, you may be able to buy a second retracement back to the all-time highs at 28.85. So, based on this analysis, if the pivot at $13.10 or $12.14 that I've shown in my blog holds, we might be able to see a nice retracement to $28.85. And as it moves up, you can raise your stop loss as the pivot continues and follows this particular uptrend. In that way, you will maintain and keep your profits and still be able to be protected as you move your way up. For those of you who are interested in a session with myself, feel free to contact me on quantstrategic.com.sg for swing trading tips as well as discussion on the super trend and the Ichimoku cloud line. Great to talk to you guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Remember to click like and subscribe to my channel if you find this meaningful to you.